in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Big Bang TikTok trend, which is a really popular dance and it's a really cool dance too. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So there are a lot of moves in this dance, so we're going to practice them slowly and then we're going to do it from the beginning so that we remember everything, and it's going to be the easiest way to learn this dance. So let's go. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump and our right leg is in front of our left one and our hands are in this position. So 1, then our legs go to the sides and our hands 2, and then we're going to go 3. So 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Just practice that, make sure you remember that, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, pop, pop. Okay, so after this, we're going to go 1. So we're going to step to the left, and then we're going to go. We're going to pretend we have something over here. We're going to grab it and pull it towards us, and then we're going to go sway, sway, like that. So let's do it from the very beginning, and then we'll move on. Jump, jump, 3, pop, pop, step, grab, pull, wave, wave. Okay, so make sure you remember that. You can go back again if you want to practice it a lot of times until you get that. And now let's move on, because this is going to be the fastest part, but it's not that hard to learn either. So after this, we're going to go 1. So our right leg goes in front of our left one, and then our hands go back like this. Then we're going to side punch. So our left hand is bent, the other one does a circle. So from here it's going to be like this. Step, side punch. Okay, so step, side punch. And then after the side punch, we're going to jump like this. So our legs are apart, and we're going to bend our left arm and straighten our right one, like that. So it's going to look like this. 1. Okay, so let's do it from here. 1, side punch, jump. Okay, and then after the jump, we're going to jump again, but our legs are going to be together and our hands go up. So let's start from the very beginning, slow. Jump, jump, 3, pop, pop, step, grab, pull, wave, wave, step, side punch, jump, jump. Okay, so once you do it faster, it's going to be easier, and it's not going to look that weird, but right now we're doing it slow so that we remember. So once again from the beginning, and then we'll move on. Jump, jump, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, grab, pull, wave, wave, step, side punch, jump, jump. Okay, so after we do the second jump, we're going to go 1, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be fast. It's going to look like this. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, right. Remember that. Left, right. And practice that faster and faster, and you will get this. 1, 1, 2, 3. So just keep on practicing. And now, after this, we're going to go 1, 2. So one hand is over here, and then the other one, we're going to do circles with our wrists. 2 circles. Circle, circle, and then we're going to go. We're going to pull our hands towards us, and then we're going to tilt, tilt twice. You're going to hear when to do that, so don't worry about that. Tilt, tilt, like that. Once again, tilt, tilt. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning, and then we will move on. Jump, jump, 3, pop, pop, step, step, side punch, jump, jump, 1, right, left, right, circle, circle, tilt, tilt. making sure you know all the moves. I do have another tutorial on how to do the wave. So if you can't do that, there you go. There's a tutorial only on how to do the wave. So let's go. Tilt, tilt, and then wave. And then we're gonna go bounce, bounce, bounce. So 1, 2, 3. So you can choose how you do it. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. However you want, however it's easier for you. So now let's do it from the very beginning, slow, and then we'll move on. Jump, jump, 3, pop, pop, step, step, side punch, jump, jump, 1, right, left, right, circle, circle, tilt, tilt, wave, bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, so that's the hardest part. After, we're going to practice it faster, so don't worry about that. Now we are going to move on. So, we're going to jump, cross our legs, circle, and then we're going to pretend we're opening the can. So 1, and then here people do it differently, but this is how I do it. I just do a normal wave, so wave, like that. So open, drink, like that. And then you have 1 second to do whatever you want. You can jump, you can stay still, whatever you want. So let's start from the very beginning, and that's it. So from the beginning, 1's slow, 1's fast, and that's it. And then you'll just have to practice it faster and faster until you get the tick-tock speed, and that's it. So first, slow. Let's go. Jump, jump, 3, pop, pop, step, step, side punch, jump, jump, 1, right, left, right, circle, circle, tilt, tilt, wave, 1, 2, 3, cross, turn around, open, drink, and that's it. And now the same thing but faster. Let's go. Jump, jump, 3, pop, pop, step, step, side punch, jump, jump, 1, 1, 2, 3, circle, circle, tilt, tilt, wave, 1, 2, 3, cross,